In this video, I'll show you how to earn in HoneyGain using your Wi-Fi connection step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official HoneyGain website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, download the HoneyGain application on your device, such as your computer or smartphone. Install the app and sign in using the same account you created earlier. Once the app is running, HoneyGain will securely share a small portion of your unused internet connection. As your device stays connected to Wi-Fi, HoneyGain operates in the background and starts generating credits automatically. The more stable your internet connection is, the more consistently you can earn credit. You can also increase your earnings by keeping the app active regularly and connecting multiple devices when allowed. You can track your earnings directly inside the HoneyGain dashboard.